Hello class, today I want to teach you the introduction to rhythms for you guys as beginner bands. Now obviously I'm treating this as a class that is probably 6th grade or up, so let's just start from there. Just so you guys know that I just want you guys to know that I'm going to be teaching you the basics of rhythm and for you to be able to recognize common rhythm patterns. I want you to be able to learn and read and perform different rhythms very accurately. I want you guys to be playing these rhythms using your musical instruments or clapping if they don't have any, and I want you to develop a sense of timing and synchronization with the metronome. As you notice, I probably have it in the background because I want you to just get used to it being played at all times. Are you ready? So these are actually all your notes. These are going to be the notes that we use to read and clap along with rhythms. Now, every single note is going to be either clapped or counted or vocalized on every single one of these flashcards as I'm showing it to you. So go ahead and try to do your best to feel the beat and understand that every single note gets a beat. If you or your partners are seeing anything different amongst each other, I want you to look at the flashcards and see what you find different about the rhythm so far. Are you ready? Okay. Now what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to see me clap along with the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how many they are. Let me show you by pointing at it this time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's your turn. Everybody together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. All right. Now I want us to move on a little bit. See, this next one is going to be a half note. Half notes are actually held for 2 beats instead of just 1 this time. Ready? 1, 2, nothing. That's silence. So this is actually called a half note rest. What we do here is we play nothing. If we see this clapped out, you'll probably hear it like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 1, 2, open, 2. 1, 2, open, 2. You're holding these notes, but you're also not holding these notes. Does that make sense? Let's try that one more time. I'm going to clap this a little better so that I can get used to this. Ready? 1, 2, open, 2. 1, 2, open, 2. And that's how you read the notes inside of your mind. Now it's your turn. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Now let's do it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 1, 2. There you guys go. Congratulations. You guys learned what a half note is and what a half note rest is. And if we keep going, we now get to influence whether or not we have quarter notes, half note rest, and another quarter note. Quarter note, half note rest, another quarter note. Let's see what this is going to sound like if I were to clap it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, open, open, 1. 1, open, open, 1. If you notice, we keep going back to the beginning because we need to practice this continuously. This is the flashcard that we're going to be using to practice continuously. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter note, open, open, quarter note. Quarter note, open, open, quarter note. There you go. Congratulations. Let's try another one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and open, 2, 3, 4. Open, 2, 3, 4. Congratulations. You guys did it together. Now it's just you this time. Give it a shot by yourself. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Congratulations. The next note I want us to learn is this is a whole note. We hold it for all 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Your turn now. Ready? 1. And. There you go. Together now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And. Congratulations. You're doing a great job. Obviously, this would be taught to a middle school, and we would continue on with the rhythm flashcards, and this is basically going to be what I would consider my projector or a whiteboard. This is exactly how I would teach younger students more complex rhythms. I want to ask students to clap and count them out, maybe vocalize them, and talk about what the differences are. I want them to play the rhythms on their own instruments and have them repeat it. And we start with single rhythms and then gradually introduce those more complex patterns. The point of this is to encourage students to follow along as much as possible, but the metronome is unrelenting and we keep it on at all times. The point of this lesson, again, was to understand rhythm, recognize rhythm notation, and start playing their rhythms on their instruments. And to assess them, you want the students' active participation, to see their ability to read and perform the rhythms on the instrument, and then give them homework assignments to assess their understanding and progress in it. Maybe this includes sending home a rhythm clapping video that they were to actually clap along to. Any extensions activities would be to write more advanced flashcards for them, have the students compose their own rhythms for them to perform in class, or get other students to perform in class, introduce simple time signatures and explore rhythms within time signatures. Yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, that's my entire lesson. Thank you.